Yes, my people, today is a blessed and a wonderful day. I just want to take the time out to give thanks to everyone. It's a beautiful day to spend time with yourself. Give yourself some special time and care. It's a good time to walk in nature. It's a good time to have a good meditation. It's a good time to spend quality time with yourself. You do everything, you give your time to everything else, and you don't take the time out to spend some time with yourself. Also, your loved ones, your families. Sometimes we make work carry us so far away that we get caught up and lost, but no more. Today is a beautiful day to start a new journey. And that's what I'm telling each and every one of you. That's the same thing that I am doing for myself, spending time, giving my time some self and love. And don't forget that you deserve it. After all that you have done, give yourself some credit. Don't be so hard on yourself. Sometimes we be so hard on ourselves. We do everything, we love everyone, but yet we don't show no love to ourselves. Don't forget today to take the time out to give yourself some quality love and caring for your own self. Because without yourself, nothing is possible. You have to take care of yourself before you take care of others. And that's the whole deal around this topic, is to care and share to your own self. And then you can look forward to others. So I just want to say peace and love to everyone. Have a blessed and a wonderful day. And this is the Jamaican Vlog Shorts.